So this may come as a shock to you, but I was a little kid at one point. Nathan, you were a little kid? Yes, I was. You are most likely another little kid, because this website is plagued with them. So, I thought I might go and look at my older videos. My videos from 2 years ago. Maybe 3 at this point, I'm not very sure. But the sound of my voice sounds like nails on chalkboard, or a fork on a plate to some people. It is for me, at least.
Hey guys! Welcome to my first video ever on YouTube. I'm really shy.
So, when I said this, I was, once again, a little kid. I also want you to know that I was not shy at all. I was actually really excited to make this video. I don't know why, because the video is 5 minutes of just me rambling about nonsense, and it's just complete garbage, but for some reason I liked the garbage that I produced at the time, so I kept making more.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, at 5 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a my setup tour video. So I changed it up from when I last changed it. That doesn't make sense.
So as you can see, I have zero direction with this video at all, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I thought that the video wasn't too long, but now that I look back on it, the video is extremely long for what it should be. It should be a quick 5-minute video, right, with a jump cut whenever I pause, right? But I didn't do that here, and I don't know why. I failed to mention that I am also cutting out most of the pauses. Everything that I showed you has been a minute. And in post, it's probably going to be about 15 seconds, because when I did talk, I talked barely at all. God, I should go back to that content. It was so much easier.
You guys have so seen this thing. Sharper image. You guys have seen all of my other videos. I use this thing a lot.
I have never used this thing on the channel before. In fact, it is sitting over there, if you can see it. It is sitting right here, holding up my Funko Pops, because recently I have bought a Rift, so I have no use for that thing, and my Funko Pops were not touching the ceiling, and I didn't want to go out and buy one, because I'm trying to get the new iPhone. Android's better. Oh my god, Android is so much better.
Just note on YouTube, I don't use this a lot on YouTube. Don't click away to look at those videos, because they are not a thing.
So, I did not watch this video before reacting to this, and I spoke too soon. Just like I always do.
So, look. So this is where that sits. Is right there. And here we have the beautiful 3D virtual reality headset and the solid wood folding Mancala.
Why did I say it like that, man? Mancala? Mancala?
I don't even know how to pronounce that word. And then we have the... I attempted to do these in a video, the classic curiosities, the like wood things, but they were just so hard that I gave up on that video.
I have never tried to make a video with those. I think I still have them somewhere, but I don't know where they are, and I don't know where they went. Frankly, I don't care. I'm pretty sure I got them like a long time ago. Like, I think it was for Christmas or something, but it was just because I was really into puzzles, like Rubik's Cubes, but Wait, hold on. Did I upload a video of me doing this? I'm pretty sure I did not. I didn't. Thank God I didn't. I don't know why I said that I uploaded that video, but I did not. And I'm really happy about that, honestly. That's just one less cancer video on my channel.
I uploaded it, but I give up on doing those. And yeah, this is where that thing sits. This is where this telescope sits. I always get stuff on my finger whenever I touch that. And this used to be behind it. Oh, you guys have definitely seen this thing before.
I don't know where this is coming from. I have never showed my alarm clock. No one cares. No one cares.
If you guys watch all my videos, then I tried to push that away because my camera was like this. But now it can be just right there. So yeah, and I have an Xbox One in my room now.
I had always had an Xbox One in my room. Right, so I just skimmed through the video and there was no setup to her at all. It's completely garbage. That video, right? That video was published on April 4th of 2017, meaning that I was a 6th grader at the time. Because I didn't do any YouTube stuff throughout 7th grade at all. Simpler times, man. So, that video, right, was titled, "It Feels Good to Be Back. Much thanks for 7 subscribers." It feels good to be back. What does that mean at all? It doesn't make sense because I literally uploaded a video the same day.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I haven't made a video in so long. I feel so bad and I feel really guilty. I haven't done anything in a long time.
So I'm pretty sure this video was recorded before at OMSI, right, with my old friend Hayden.
It's 2017. 2017, ladies. It's 2017.
What? Did you just say ladies exclusively in 2017?
I thought I would just do a video.
Is that my dad's phone ringing in the background?
To show you guys that I really appreciate you, and I'm not gonna give up on this YouTube channel.
This got like 2 views on it. I remember, like, it got 2 views on it. It was so unbelievably garbage, and I didn't care. I don't know why, but I didn't care at all.
Hey guys, I got a face cam.
Doesn't YouTube Mobile have a feature where you can like trim videos, and I didn't even like trim it. I just wanted to upload it. I'm watching this stuff for the first time ever. I just like slapped clips together and then I just sent it off.
Ooh. Maybe if I put my coin this. No, it's just gonna tip. Oh no.
This is me trying to prop up my tablet so that I could actually play a game and make it look like I had actual camera, like how I have now, and then like make it look like I had a separate screen. But I didn't. My camera was on the same screen as my tablet,